Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Omega diamond watches are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The tourbillon, a masterpiece of horological engineering, counters gravity's effects in...
Precise metal alloys are created to ensure strength, beauty, and long-term durability.
Every diamond is individually placed, aligned, and tested for brilliance. Every Omega watch undergoes rigorous testing before approval. And that's how Omega diamond watches are made, from start to finish.